Hi guys, this is Russell Gosavi and today's our topic is what is a main method. So basically main method is uh, first is the first method that calls for execution from JVM. Without main method we cannot start the execution. So basically main method is very important for the execution at that time of program. First of all we call the main method, and after that overall program can be executes one by one, step by step format using main method. So what that actually and main method and what is the structure of main method basically. So first of all the syntax of main method is nothing but public static uh, uh, void main string into braces there is an string args, and uh, uh, the body of curly braces, two braces. So this is the structure of our main method. So basically first one, what is that public is nothing but an access modifiers which specify the method where the access or where the scope of methods or method is running, or at which point scope of the method is uh, going to region out. So this is access modifiers or specifiers. uh, up, up to now the main method having public access
Continue on
specifier,
Pune,
but
Bengaluru highway for 1.5 kilometers.
It also having and three types, that is first one is in public, private, and the third one is protected. So these are the access modifiers. Second one is in public static is a keyword in main method which important for what if we create and any or instead of main method we can create any method. So we need to create an object of that method for execution of whole their body of syntax or that program in main method is already present. So basically static keyword is used for that, because of static keyword using in front of main method there is an no requirement to create an object of that method. So main method, keep in mind that main method does not require any creation of object or reference variable for execution of that code. So this is what the use of static keyword in a main method. Basically it acquires memory in memory management unit at the time of its method is creating, or method get value at the time of creation of
Take the next left on Topology Nagar Road, Pune, Bengaluru highway.
Name. So this is the syntax of what is the meaning of that static method. Next one is an void. Void is an return type. So basically
make a U-turn,
in
then
main
turn
method
left.
there is an no return type is present. Main method does not contain that void also means itself that there is a no return type. If we know about what are the types of method having return types and passing parameters. According to passing parameters and return types there is sections divided in the methods are divided into that four sections, passing by
take the next left on Topology Nagar Road, Pune, Bengaluru highway.
Return type or not. So there are specify according to void. If any method contain void, then that method does not having any return type. So main method also does not contain any return type. So this is the importance of void in main method. And main is main and two curly braces are the name of main method which work for execution of whole that body. Next one is that string args. What that string contain the uh, group of character value or group of values, number of values in form of string. if we does not given that string args in those braces for in front of main method, then method will compile, but it does not go to run if we does not given that string args function in front of our main method. So it is essential and important for execution of our code in main method. So if we return string args, then our code will be executed. So the args means it is the unit or element number of group of elements in array, but in form of string. So this is the meaning of that
Head south.
args. And this is what our main method is actually. So main take a summary of main method. What was we cover up. First one is an public main method. Next one topic is static. After that void and itself main method name. And after that this is this important thing that in curly braces there is present string args. So this is whole structure of our main method. Thank you.